are trying another Instagram famous food. We're at Trade in Irvine, California, and we're gonna be trying Pigpen Delicacies famous Mac Daddy Burger. It has macaroni and cheese as the bun. Meep. This is so good. It's so nice and salty. It's so juicy. The cheese is really soft and creamy, but the crunch is incredible. That's something you don't get in a burger normally. A lot of flavor going on. The breading reminds me a little bit of tempura. There's cheese in every crevice of this. There's cheese in the meat. There's cheese in the mac and cheese. This Mac Daddy is the Mac Daddy of burgers.
Oh, yes!